here is a couple of steps that you can follow with me to make a fidget quilt. Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm showing you the fabrics that I did find last week, the dinosaurs. With that idea, I would like to go ahead and make the dinosaur fidget quilt. I have a couple of ideas. I did take all these pieces, I cut them up into the smaller pieces, and that will show you coming up, so stay tuned for that. How I created little squares and kind of the momentum. This is going to be a couple or a few videos up until we're done with our pieces that I'm done and cutting and also building on to this fidget quilt. These are the little pant legs of sweats that I found from a child's pants. I did cut those up. Those are ready to go. You'll see that soon. I was able to get 4 pieces of 5x5s. These are the little flower fabric that I found. I also was able to cut a couple of pieces of that, so I'm integrating that with a couple of other pieces of fabric that I have around. I hope you remember all of this from last week, but I want to go ahead and show you now, so stay tuned. And here they are as I cut them. There's that white little piece of fabric with the little tiny little dinosaurs. There's the rest of the pieces that I have cut out, 5x5s to start off with. That one bright green was the cleaning mitt that they have at the Dollar Tree. These are some of the pieces that I plan to incorporate with the fidget quilt to make it more attractive. I remember showing you that dinosaur looking Lisa Frank type of thing. That's going to probably be the edge of the fidget quilt as I come and put all this together. Some pieces that I had here and there, some scrunchies and a shoelace, a couple of rings, and some more stuff in the little baggie that I am collecting. I'm just throwing everything in this little tiny little bag. I did order some fabric that I'm waiting for. Once it does get here, these are the types of fabrics, or these are the fabrics that I ordered, hoping for them to come in quick.